for the samba, timing is very, very important. So in our routine, you have timing, which we call slow, on which I say number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or I will say slow. Then there is a timing when I say end, it means half, it means quick. And if I say ah, it's super quick, super small. So if we say slow, the step is bigger, we spend there more time. If I say end, the step is quicker, probably on the straight leg, we spend less time. If I say ah, it's super, super fast, super, super small. So for example, we start our choreography, you have a 5, 6, 7, now we say ah, 8. So very fast step, ah, 8. And on 8, we spend more time. So already you see ah is super fast, 8 slow. Then we have a 1, 2, which means slow, slow. 1, so we spend longer time. So step is very big and long. 2, now we say 3 and 4 means quick, quick, slow. So straight legs and pretty fast. 3 and, but 4 is a cruzado walk. 4, longer. Then we continue. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So 5 and 6 and 7 and it will be quick, 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 quick on the straight legs. And the last one is a 8, longer. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then you have a zigzags. We have timing slow, slow. So it means long step, then very fast, and again longer. 1, so slow. We're gonna spend time here. 2, 3, 4. No, let's continue the same. Yes.